In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep paragraphs together in Microsoft Word. If you're working with a Microsoft Word document and notice that a paragraph is being separated between two pages, you can use Word's paragraph formatting options to keep the content together. This is especially useful when you want headings and paragraphs or related lines of text to stay together instead of being split across pages. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the paragraph that you want to keep together. Select the paragraph or paragraphs that you want to apply this setting to. Make sure you select the text that should remain together when the document moves from one page to another. Once the paragraph is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the Word window. In the paragraph group, look for the small arrow in the bottom right corner. Select this arrow to open the Paragraph dialog box. Inside the Paragraph dialog box, select the Line and Page Breaks tab. This section contains several options that control how your paragraphs behave when they reach the end of a page. Look for the pagination options in this section. To keep the selected paragraph together on the same page, select Keep Lines Together. This option tells Microsoft Word not to split the selected paragraph between two pages. Instead, Word will move the paragraph to the next page if there isn't enough room for the entire paragraph to remain together. If you also want a heading to stay with the paragraph immediately following it, you can use the Keep with Next option. This keeps the selected paragraph connected to the paragraph that comes directly after it. This can be particularly useful for documents that contain headings followed by several lines of text. It helps prevent a heading from being left at the bottom of a page while the related content starts on the next page. After selecting the appropriate option, select OK to apply the formatting. Microsoft Word will now adjust the paragraph's position based on the setting you selected. If there isn't enough room for the paragraph at the bottom of the current page, Word will move the content to the next page instead of separating it. These paragraph settings can help make longer documents look more organized and professional. They are especially useful for reports, assignments, articles, and other documents where keeping related content together is important. The same paragraph formatting options are available in Microsoft Word on both PC and Mac, although the exact appearance of the menus may vary slightly depending on your version of Word. And that's how you can keep paragraphs together in Microsoft Word on PC and Mac. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.